How do you avoid damage to the automatic belt tensioner when you're installing it? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Lightens, manufacturers of the original OAD pulley. Visit lightensaftermarket.com for more information.
This is an automatic belt tensioner, and it is possible to damage it during installation. Here are some quick tips to avoid damaging an automatic belt tensioner. Tip number 1, use the correct information and tools to install the belt tensioner. What I'm talking about is looking up the procedure and then looking up the correct tools to properly move the arm of the tensioner so you're not damaging it or the rolling elements on it. Tip number 2, use the correct tool. Do not use pry bars, screwdrivers, and other sharp implements when moving the arm of a belt tensioner. There's potential that it could slip, damage the belt, or damage the pulley. If you damage the pulley, well, that could cause damage to the belt as it rotates by that burr or scratch on it. Tip number 3, make sure that the pin on some tensioners is properly located on the bracket, block, or head before you tighten down the bolt. When you're tightening down the bolt, make sure you have the correct torque specification. Also, make sure the threads are clean on the bolt and the female side of the fastener. So there you have it. Use the right information, tools, and also the correct procedures when tightening down a tensioner. If you use these, you're not going to damage the tensioner and you're going to have a comeback-free belt job. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.